I finally made it out here to soak up the spring vibes. Oh, there's a map of the park. It's way bigger than I thought. Let's head in. The cherry blossoms are in full bloom. They look absolutely stunning. Being here really puts me at ease. Let's take a closer look at these flowers. These are gorgeous. Cherry blossoms go without saying, but the magnolias are just as beautiful. I didn't even know this place existed. A tiny library. This is so me. Books and nature, my two favorite things. I'm gonna stay for a bit and do a little reading. Oh, they have a little spot for writing letters. This park has such a vibe. I should write one too. I want to leave someone an encouraging message. There's a pavilion up there. Gotta climb some stairs, but I'm going anyway. I love how open it feels from up here. There's a nice breeze. It feels so refreshing. Looks like there's a magic show later. It sounds like fun. I should come back in time for it.
The sunlight hits the water, the blossoms fill the
There's someone busking over there. They've got such a great voice. These songs have such a spring vibe.
The spring sky, watching the days just float on by.
I couldn't just leave, so I hopped on a little boat, just to soak up the view a bit more. It feels like I'm in a dream. The cherry blossom tunnel is absolutely breathtaking. I should come back here whenever I need a little break.